Alright guys, we are going on a field trip. Won't tell you all about it right now, but let me get some stuff. We gotta take it to an important place. We use a special tool so that we can get this thing going. So I'm here at the tent, picking up some parts. I'm heading out for a field trip. Alright, this is what we're grabbing. Maybe you know by now. Comes more of the fun stuff, dealing with the old Terpski. Oh yeah. Let's get the show on the road. Let's go get old bung welded in. Alright, just under the CRV. Checking out the good stuff. Trying to get an idea of where I need to put it on the pan to the kind of same area as the turbo will be, so it will be straight down into there. I don't have to deal with too much. So just doing a little cooperative checking out here. Because it definitely bends over, and the turbo will be here, about here, and down where that blob is. So we should be able to come straight down from there. A little scratch on it. Let's see if that does anything. Scratch right there. So right there. Okay. Somewhere in this panel right here. I'll put it. Good work, guys. Soon this is all going to be different. I have to figure out the radiator. See if we get one to fit. Got a half core I could probably use. Got a throttle body to go in it. Man, yeah. Who needs all this power steering cruise control? Yeah, we don't need none of that. I have no idea what all this stuff is. It doesn't look like a blow off valve to me. I don't know. Alright everybody, we made it on the field trip. We are at the destination with the goods. Thanks to my buddy here, sitting right behind him, next to his new, what is it?
R1.
Your R1. He's going to die within 6 months apparently, but he's not going to. Okay, if you want to buy it, let me know. I'll sell it to you. So we are here. He has a welder, and we're going to work on welding the drain for the oil feed line on the oil pan while we can. So hopefully this will work, and hopefully we can weld this tonight, have it done so we can have the AN fittings and oil drain set up. Alright, so you saw I was doing recon on where to put the drain, and I want to put it in this flat spot right here. So I went ahead and brake cleaned it a little bit and rubbed it down. Trying to get it ready for grinding. I'll try sanding it off with this disc. We have a step bit and a grinding piece. Hopefully we can get it to close enough size to fit that ring on the back of that. And then hopes we can weld the rest of that onto here. So that is goal tonight. And it's not burn down his garage. So I'll try to clean up the back side, so we don't have any oil messing with it. And I gotta make sure I don't hit that pan. That'd suck. Maybe I need to move it right here. Minor details, right? That's why we check these things. We're gonna move it. We're gonna do it right here. Let it break clean. Missed that groove. I think we could do that. I think a Sharpie would fit down in here perfectly. So there's the spot.
That wasn't good.
Alright, paint's buffed. Hole is fixed. Harbor Freight tree step bits. I can't find the big ones, so we will go with this.
I got one.
You got a big one?
Yeah.
It might make it easier for me. Well, this one might be the max. See, look. Well, mine was perfect. Well, I need it the next step up.
Okay, I got it.
That ring.
I got it. I just gotta figure out which one.
Yes. Because that one almost does it.
Yeah, it's right here. There you go.
Yes. Yes. Maybe I'll.
I think I gotta replace. Yeah, I gotta replace the battery. In this thing.
The helmet.
Yeah.
We want to go blind.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna get it to the 9/16. No, maybe it's half-inch. Half-inch line right there. I want to mark it. So when I drill, I only go that far. I'm going to start it out with the little one. Hopefully make a little pilot hole. Then switch over to the big tree step. Right there. That's as far as we're going. There's the start, now the finish. Okay, there's half-inch. We need a little more. Let's see how much more. We're so close. Okay, there's the next one. Ah. Dang it. Just a hair. It's so close. That's kind of loud. But that is it. That is it. That is where it will go. Okay, now that's where it's going to go. I'm going to use this just to clean up the inside. Make sure there's nothing jagged on the inside of the pan and no burr for the old oil. And then we can work on welding. Should just sit in the hole.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. sweet. What's the easiest? Something.
Dang. Probably like this. I'll be able to get it, just might not be super pretty. Let me tuck it in there. That metal's not wanting to go on both sides. How odd. It's like not wanting to weld this. It's steel, right?
It's supposed to be. I wonder if it's aluminum.
If it is, that'd be super bad.
That would be super sucky.
I got a magnet.
Yeah, that's
It does say?
what they say.
Nope. That's aluminum. No wonder.
You don't want to.
I was like,
Weld.
it's not wanting to go to both sides.
Nah.
Not for the backside?
I don't. We can make it. Yeah, it's still hot. Okay, minor details. This is definitely aluminum. Not the steel like I thought I had. So that's not going to weld, unfortunately. We have this other adapter here. I think we can make this work. Drill this hole just a little bit bigger on the pan. Get a lock nut on the back side and make sure they don't ever come off in a serious way. But man, whoops. Guess I should have checked that first. That's what happens when you have parts laying around. You think it's something and it's not. So I might buy a metal one to weld in, or we might just make this one work. Well, that didn't quite go as planned, but that's okay. Things happen. I thought I had the steel, mild steel one. We tried to weld it, definitely didn't weld. We start looking at it, the texture, the shininess. It should have been more obvious that it was aluminum, but I've never actually had it out of the package to look. But we have a hole drilled. We're ready to weld. I just ordered one on good old eBay, shipped to my house. So next week we will definitely have it. So we were planning out what to do with the car, getting it stripped down and making it magical and making it awesome for us, so we can have a sweet race car and hopefully get everything to fit under the hood. So there's a lot to do still. I'm about a month out till I have to leave. We're definitely I'm gonna have to change some stuff up for this, so we have enough time to get it and get everything kind of broken in and running. We'll see what we can do. I haven't quite got the game plan together. Working on minor details over it, and hopefully we can get stuff figured out for it all. I still have my truck, hopefully rent a trailer and drive out there on, let's see, it's like 1,737 miles away to the drag's place, so it will take me 24 hours to get there, probably, maybe 26. I'll leave early on a Wednesday, try to get there early on a Thursday, sleep, recuperate, eat, meet up with people showing up, hang out, have a meet on Friday before the event with all the guys going to the event, and different fans and people coming to support and hang out down there. And then Saturday is the race, 2 to 6. It's open to anyone to bring a car to the Gulfport Raceway, and they can come and run it, and spectators can come and hang out. And then from 6 on, we'll have some races going on for the event that night, and it should be awesome. So a lot to do, a lot to get done. It's been fun so far. Hopefully you all been enjoying the videos and the uploads. Make sure you stay tuned for more. There's definitely more going to be happening next week. It should be a good week, so hopefully we'll get more stuff done actual to the physical car and the motor that's in there, that we could get all out, get things stripped, get things ported, matched, all that fun stuff. So make sure you're not missing out. Like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see. Hit that old thumbs up to shout out and support the channel. And definitely more to come, like I said, from Wide Open Throttle Garage. So thanks for everybody for supporting, tuning in, and we'll see you next time.